Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 most beautiful castles in Germany. Number 5, Heidelberg Castle. Heidelberg Castle is located 80 meters, 260 feet, up the northern part of a hillside, and dominates the view of the old center of Heidelberg. The castle ruins are among the most important Renaissance structures north of the Alps. It has had a long and turbulent history since the earliest castle structure was built in the 13th century. Having been totally destroyed during the 30 Years' War, and later by the French in the 17th century, the castle was struck by lightning in 1764 and even its stones were taken to build new houses in Heidelberg. Number 4, Hohenschwangau Castle. Maximilian II, father of Ludwig II, discovered Hohenschwangau Castle when he was still the crown prince. The vicinity in which he found it pleased him immensely. In spite of it being in ruins, he bought the castle and had it renovated. When the work was complete, Maximilian used it as a hunting lodge, and for a summer palace. Ludwig II reigned after Maximilian died in 1864. He never married, so his mother remained at this home for the rest of her life. It is located in the village of Hohenschwangau near the town of Füssen. Number 3, Burgeltz. Burgeltz Castle is situated near the Moselle River between Koblenz and Trier. It has been the ancestral home of the Rübenach, Rodendorf and Kempenich families since it was built in the 12th century. The castle still boasts some of the original furnishings. The castle sits on a huge rock in the middle of a forest. Its medieval architecture is unique. Also contributing to the uniqueness is the fact that it has never been touched by war. Its armory, filled with gold and silver artifacts, as well as porcelain and jewelry, is considered one of the best in Europe. Number 2, Hohenzollern Castle. Sitting atop Mount Hohenzollern, the castle had its beginnings in the 11th century. The original castle was destroyed over the centuries with only the chapel remaining. The present castle was built in the mid-19th century by King Frederick William IV of Prussia. Located 50 kilometers, 30 miles, south of Stuttgart, the castle is the ancestral home of the Hohenzollern family, from which emperors and kings have emerged. Today the castle is a museum unlike any other. It is filled with treasures including the crown worn by Prussian kings and a uniform worn by Frederick the Great. Number 1, Neuschwanstein Castle. The most photographed building in Germany, Neuschwanstein Castle, is also one of Europe's most popular tourist destinations. Nestled among the breathtaking beauty of the Bavarian Alps near the town of Füssen, this fairy tale castle served as the inspiration behind Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle. Constructed in the late 1800s, Neuschwanstein was never built for defense purposes as most castles. Instead, this castle was created as a fanciful retreat for Ludwig II of Bavaria. Dazzling chandeliers and beautiful paintings adorn every room in the castle, while the third floor is devoted to Ludwig's fascination of swan scenes from operas by the famous composer Richard Wagner, whom Ludwig deeply admired. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.